Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the watch and calibrating. Do this now. Put the Apple Watch snug on your dominant wrist so the accelerometer reads consistently. Open Activity or Workout, set a realistic move goal, and choose walking or outdoor walk. Once done, take a 20-minute outdoor walk with your iPhone nearby to calibrate GPS and stride length. This improves accuracy. Make sure location services and motion and fitness permissions are enabled so the watch can record steps reliably. Next, configure the settings that make step counts precise. Go to Settings on your Apple Watch and ensure wrist detection is on. On your paired iPhone, enable motion and fitness so steps sync. Decide whether you'll manually start a workout, recommended for deliberate exercise, or rely on automatic workout detection for everyday walking. Add a steps or activity complication to your watch face for instant feedback. Also, pair and keep Bluetooth active. When the iPhone is present, the watch uses extra sensors to finally review and sync your step data to confirm everything worked. On the watch, open the Activity app to see current steps. On the iPhone, open Fitness and look at day and week summaries. Sync is automatic. If data lags, open the Fitness app or toggle Bluetooth to force a refresh. If steps are missing or inaccurate, restart both devices, recalibrate with another 20-minute walk, and install the latest watch OS updates. This single troubleshooting step fixes most tracking errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.